under every piece of furniture in the living room.
Yes.
Hey guys, it's Big Pilot Gaming. I hope you enjoyed that Nerf War video. Anyways, we will see you guys next time. And I'm sorry if the camera's bad. I'm just saying stuff about the video. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video. And I won the Nerf War. Maybe we'll do another one later. I don't know. Anyways, bye.
We gotta do it now.